This is what this filter looked like a year ago, 15,000 miles ago. Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Very quick one today. I've done most of my service already. It was a big service which I completely missed. It was a 60,000 mile service on the Forester XT SJ. And it's just, for whatever reason, it's taken me forever to get hold of a cabin filter or pollen filter, whatever you want to call it. Let's get it swapped out. I'm interested to see what the old filter looks like actually, because it's probably been about 15,000 miles since I changed that last. My bad, I know, but it could be interesting. This filter is a man filter. Pretty much most companies make one, whether it's Bosch or Man or Corsair or whoever. Corsair? Who am I thinking of? I've forgotten. I'll leave a link in the description for this filter and a couple of other filters. Take your pick, whichever's cheapest really. So cabin filter on this one, a lot of you might be looking underneath in the passenger footwell up here. It's not there. It's in the glove box. So empty the glove box to start with, not much in there. We just need to push in at the top, at the back. You can push in there, we'll feel a couple of bits pop out, and then disconnect the arm on the side here. That will just pop off. That's our glove box. I'll get the GoPro out. Okay, so this is where our glove box was. If we look inside here, this here is our pollen filter. Just get our cable out of the way there. We just need to pull the two tabs on either side. That is loose. Oh, there's some dirt in there. I'll show you on the proper camera in a moment. While we're in here, we'll feel for any loose leaves as well. There's bound to be something. I'm sure I heard something drop in. Or maybe not. Right, let's compare and contrast these two filters. Okay, so here is our old filter. This is a 15,000 mile filter. There's bits just sitting on top of it, falling off. That's a bit of foam. That's not the most encouraging sight. But yeah, we could probably strum this like a guitar and all the dirt is going to fall out and the wind's going to blow it in my face. That is lovely. Compare that with our brand new filter. This is what this filter looked like a year ago, 15,000 miles ago. And we are in the peak of hay fever season right now, so I'm sure swapping this one in might well do me some favours. So, old filter, new filter. Get rid of that. New filter just slides in exactly where the old one was. I'm not sure if this is upside down or not, but that has gone straight in, absolutely fine. I'll do it again to make sure. Pops out easy enough. But yeah, curved edge on the bottom. Slide it into the top of the slot. My cable here is getting out in the way. You probably won't have this cable here. This is for my digital radio antenna, which I've not used once since I installed it. But yeah, once it's in, just give it a little push evenly, and that's it. Job done. Now I can sit those back there. We'll get our glove box back in place. These cables can go inside. Line her up. Get our pin back in there. That is this one. Pop that back on, then we should be able to push it right back in. And there we go, that is it. Just noticed there is an instruction manual in the box as well. So this one's for Forester and Impreza. That is an older Forester, I think. But I mean, it works just the same. So cheers for watching, hope you enjoyed it, hope you might have learned something from it, and give this video a like if you did. If you've got any questions, leave a comment down below, and otherwise I'll see you in a future video.